There are properties that you buy for the house, and then there's properties that you buy for the lifestyle. 1955 County Road 203 is a lifestyle purchase, as well as it's located in the heart of the beautiful Animas Valley in Durango, Colorado. Coming up the driveway, you will notice that it's all freshly resealed asphalt, and you have a garage to the right that has an ADU studio up above. And then you've got some beautiful landscaping. And then you've got a fenced in backyard and a 2-car attached garage. And what's really special about this property is that none of the landscaping is brand new. It's all very well established. But probably my favorite part about this property is those red rock views. Check that out. But let's do a quick exterior walk through the property. So everything is just meticulously maintained. The roof is relatively newer. You do have some mini split units. And this is the back of the property. So the property actually runs up significantly far on this hillside behind me. And there is a spot where the current owner had somebody take a look at about possibly leveling and doing another building envelope. And then behind the property, you're actually going into the national forest. So that's nice for somebody that wants to hike. I'm not in good enough shape to do that. And then this is the side of the house. So when we're inside, you're going to notice that there's a walkout to this hot tub area. And this is all part of that fenced in area of the back of the home. So cruising on through the exterior of the home, you're going to see that it's pretty much xeriscaped. There's not a lot of maintenance back here, which is nice. The deck is in great shape, taken care of well. And then, yeah, you're just cruising around back here. And this deck is coming off of the main living area to the hot tub. And then you have even more deck space here, and those tremendous, beautiful views that we all love. And just a great area to be entertaining guests. And like you'll see, this property is just so well maintained. It's pretty rare to find a property like that. So we're going to go in off of the front door and then go cruise inside. Okay, coming inside, this is a super fun detail in the real wood floors, but we're inside the home now. So to the right, you do have a powder room. It's very spacious. And then a bedroom with a cute fireplace. This is the one that has one of the walkouts to the backyard. And then we are cruising this direction. You have a full bathroom in here, which is nice that you have it on this level for that bedroom. And then we are into the kitchen area. This has been completely redone. It's got granite countertops, and it's light and it's bright. And you have a beautiful view out your window as you do your dishes. And then you also have a nice view as you're cooking as well, and real wood cabinets, which is lovely. And then buzzing over into the kitchen area. This is a very nice open floor plan. And that's how you get out to that eating area. And you've got the mini splits, which are a great feature for this home, and a nice living room area. If you wanted to work from home, you also have just a little cute office nook, which is lovely. And you just have all these cool features of these additional elevated lights, which is a nice feature, and these cool ceiling tiles on the roof. It just makes this home feel like it's a craftsman. We are now cruising upstairs, which you also will notice is light and bright. Cool little rock climbers on the ceiling. This home has been used as a very successful and very picky as far as who books Airbnb. So it hasn't been treated poorly whatsoever, but it does have that for additional income if that's something that would be interest of you. You've got these 2 bedrooms up here, which are very spacious. This one has its own private balcony walkout, which is lovely. I feel like I've used the word lovely so much on this house, but it's because it's still warm and cozy, even though it is a bigger home. And it is an older home, but it has been completely redone and just really well taken care of. So we are buzzing back downstairs. And on the third level, the basement level that is finished, this is your access to the garage. And you have this fun little game area and an additional bedroom with closet, which is great if you've got some guests that are hanging out that need their own privacy. And this is the garage area. So there is 2 sets. There's a washer and dryer upstairs and a washer and dryer downstairs, which is nice. And this is a pretty nice sized garage. And it's got a nice area that's fun to play and do all those things. This property sits on 42 wooded acres and it borders over 1,200 acres of public land. So if you've been wanting to make the Animas Valley come to reality and purchase a home that also has generated income as a successful Airbnb, or if you want to have the main home and rent out the studio apartment above the garage, your opportunity is truly endless here. So 1955 County Road 203 is one that you are going to want to bookmark, save, and contact the Blackmore Group for your own private showing.